जख्मी हुआ, बुजुर्ग हुआ, तो उसका ख्याल करने की व्यवस्था अब नहीं की है। अगर छोटे बच्चे अगर मां से बिछड़ गए या मां मर गई तो वो अनाथ हो गए, तो बिछड़े या अनाथ शावकों का भी ख्याल रखने का प्रोविजन हमने किया है। तो ये है कहानी भारत की। बागों का सक्सेस ऐसा ही नहीं आता। एट द एंड आई विल जस्ट समराइज what I said, that India is proud of its tiger assets. This is our natural wealth. This is our nature. Today, India has 70% of world's tiger population. We are in a leading position. And we are ready to work with all the 13 tiger countries, tiger range countries, in their training, in their capacity building, in their actual management of tiger reserves, in their management and nurturing the tigers more. India will take the leadership role. At the same time, this has happened despite our constraints, physical constraints. And this is not only about tigers. We have 30,000 plus elephants, 500 plus lions, 3,000 plus single-horn rhinos, thousands of crocodiles, dolphins. So we have large amount of wild flora and fauna, of which we are proud. Our effort is to improve the environment and biodiversity. And I'm very proud to say that despite India's constraint of having only 2.5% of the world's land mass, despite having only 4% of fresh rainwater resources, and with 16% of world's population and 16% of cattle.
100 बात की